Meaning of dreamy.
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 Dreamy. The word dreamy can be used to describe a feeling or situation that is characterized by a sense of unreality, fantasy, or whimsy. It often connotes a pleasant or peaceful state of mind, as though one were lost in a daydream. When we say that something is dreamy, we might mean that it is beautiful, serene, or fantastical in some way. It might evoke a sense of enchantment, wonder, or magic, like a surreal landscape or a romantic encounter. In short, dreamy suggests a kind of otherworldliness or ethereal quality that captivates the imagination.